Hi YouTube, OTK 101 here, and I'm going to show you a wind-up combo which is an OTK. To start this, all you need in your hand is one wind-up magician and one wind-up shark. Normal summon the wind-up magician, special summon the wind-up shark, magician effect, because shark's effect was used to special summon, so you can special summon another wind-up magician in defense mode. Shark effect makes shark level 3, the other wind-up magician activates. Special summon the wind-up rat in defense mode. Overlay magician and magician for photon papillon operative. Use photon paps effect by detaching a magician to move rat to attack mode. Move rat to defense mode to special summon the magician back. Level 3 shark and a level 3 rat for wind-up carrier Zen Mighty. Wind-up carrier effect, detach the rat to special summon another rat. Magician effect, because carrier uses effect, special summon a shark. Magician and shark, both level 4. Special summon Utopia. Rat effect to defense to special summon the other rat. Overlay that for a number 17 Leviathan Dragon. Let's move that around so you can see. Then detach a wind-up rat from the Leviathan Dragon. You can see just there. And that's an OTK. 1500 attack from wind-up carrier. 2100 from photon papillon operative. 2500 from Utopia. 2500 from Leviathan Dragon. Adds up to 8600 damage. Instead of using Leviathan Dragon, you can use Giga Brilliant, and if you use Giga Brilliant and then give his effect, their attacks will get boosted by 300, so you end up doing 9100 damage. That is the Shark Magician OTK in wind-ups. I mean, there's lots of different ways you can do it, but that is one of the simplest ways and most effective. Thanks for watching, guys.